All right, in part C, we have x equals ln 2t, y equals t squared. The parameter is t. So the first thing is to decide an interval for t to get simple values for that, so that we get actually x and y coordinates of the points, simple points. Okay. So what I did here, let me just show you what I did. I chose the interval 0 and 2. Okay. And I wanted to give the increments of 0.2, but again, you can do something totally different from that. Okay, so let's see what kind of points we get. So please take your time, by the way, for the evaluation of x and y for different choices of t. And have always your TI-84 with you to go through all these questions of this section. Okay, so as you see that we are going from negative x's to positive x's along the way, and smaller y's to bigger y's in that direction. So as you see that on the graph, we have the points going in this direction. So if you just accurately plot those points, you have those points like that, and you can just connect those by this blue curve, and you get a very nice curve. We don't know if this is a well-known curve, so we have to go back to the rectangular equation form and see what it corresponds to. So let's work through that. So I have x equals ln 2t. I'm going to use a property of ln function. If x equals ln y, this is equivalent to say that y equals e to the x. Okay, so I'm going to use this property here. Okay, so x equals ln 2t. That implies that 2t equals e to the x, so that t is e to the x over 2. And again, our task is to eliminate t from the xy description here. So I'm going to plug this t back into the y equation. Okay, so let's do that. So we have y equals e to the x over 2 squared, right? So what is that? Well, e to the 2x divided by 4, okay? And this is the rectangular equation form of the parametric representation here. So this is a well-known curve. It's an exponential curve. In fact, this was looking like a parabola, but right now we have a name for that. It's almost like exponential. So this path here follows an exponential function, in fact, and which is pretty good. Because by looking at the description of x and y here, it doesn't really tell that this graph represents, it doesn't tell directly that it represents an exponential function, but it does. I think we are done with part C all the way. If you have any questions or comments, please send those to my way. And I'm going to finish this video right now, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.